Hi, ebusiafo. Minim se what a chicken curry ho asam. Na wadi bi da. De papa. Wonim ya enko bibia. Me ba me aye bisisia. Hello and welcome to MWH Cooking Chat. And I have a chicken curry. Ye shase no. Ye chicken about 2 pounds and ye twitwa no nicely. Ye skin so afri ho. Into ye spices nyina and ye de agu ho no. Major or discretion ho. Eya na wa check ya mama. Misro, what those spices ni gu ho wi with your hands or with your kitchen tool bia. Ubetumi edi amassage wonam no ama spices no come in contact with all of them. Then you set it aside and you come to your stove where a jane and a twitwa about a cup full watch kakra. One thing about chicken curry and say a bit different but almost the same with our normal stew. Inti senya wo ye gravy a wo be ye no yes but I say no be make sure say o onion no are brown ayet say the ehye no obema jeni na amen pa, and that brings about the different taste in chicken curry. Yeah, it different from our stew. Which is say we are, then you add your chopped tomatoes. For chopped tomatoes and so on. Obechia amemu awe completely. Kra ansana with fresh chicken agum. Usually enka ye stew na won say ya no chicken no ansana ye de agum, but we wonya ne sa. Be wo de agum nso say awie no. Obesa enuma ama chicken no ayete say toton ewo tomatoes ene onion na wachi ni mu ansa na we do curry egu ho. Curry no optional. We share a lot of videos abebre enu si curry no ewo chicken curry ni mu. Yes, and so it turned out to be chicken curry. We check kakra na asay nam ne ho atoton brown ne kakra. Now they about 250 mils depending on the amount of sauce I open. Open enye tekma wa obetum the all purpose flour agum. Obetum the coconut milk kakra agum. Anything at all we doing this say ebetumi ama o sauce no ataken up ama ono. Enti we say so pepper, sweet pepper na me de agum no. We leave it to boil under a low fire for about 10 minutes and your curry is ready. Look at it. Very nice. The papa. Misro, no YGB. Ebema with different taste all together. Chicken curry is a South Asian dish but originated from Indian subcontinent. Me that's a parcel share me. So anything video you want subscribe, comment, like it, share for all your loved ones. See you in another video. Bye.